Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at how we use ExamMate. So then here at the top right you log in with the username and password that you have in the document math resources, and then once you've logged into my account you go up here to topical past papers. And then here you get to select your category for those students who are doing like A-levels, GCSE, IGCSE. This could be a little complicated as there are many different exam boards. But let's just imagine our student is doing A-level. If they are, then we have to know if they're doing the Cambridge or Edexcel exam board. Or they could be doing AQA, Aqua as well. The difference is minor, so you can use one in place of the other, but it's always good to know kind of which one, that way, because there are minor differences in the syllabus. So I just picked Edexcel for no reason, and then let's say they want to work on maybe further pure maths, or we have some different maths courses that they offer here. And so we'll have to know which course they offer. There may not be their exact course, so you'll have to find one that's similar. So you'll have to know a little bit about their exam board and the syllabus that they have. I don't ever select the units. That kind of has to do more with the test. But then you can pick which topic they want to be working on. So let's just imagine that they wanted to work on vectors. I don't know. And then the years, I normally pick the most recent ones and work backwards. So I normally try to pick the newest ones, and then I work backwards. The season I don't normally put. I hit search. And then now you have the questions and some answers here. And then these are from the actual past papers. Now from here you have two options, or you have a number of options. Sometimes I give my students my login and password and actually have them log in as well. You can be logged in on two devices at the same time, I believe. And so they can go and view the question on their laptop. Or what I find to be actually more helpful is I do Windows Shift S, and then that allows me to take a screenshot of just one section of the screen, which I could then email to them, send an email, or I can also paste it in WhatsApp desktop and then send it to them via WhatsApp. So I find that the best way that way they just have the question, and of course I have the answer. So I have my laptop in front of me and I'm seeing the question and the answer. A lot of times I'll open this in two different tabs and be toggling through question and answer. And then they just have the screenshot of the question that I sent them. So they're working on the question like with pen and paper. And I have this open here. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.